In this video, we will solve a numerical problem on ISLM model. This question was asked by a brother on YouTube. The question is given C is equal to 200 plus 0.75 Y subscript D. C denotes the consumption and Y subscript D denotes the disposable income. Investment is the negative function of rate of interest. That is, investment is equal to 400 minus 50I. 400 here is autonomous investment. That does not depend upon the level of interest rate. Government expenditure is autonomous here, which is 200. Tax rate is being given as a 0.2y, what we call the marginal tax rate here. Demand for money is equal to 0.5y minus 75i. That means demand for money is a positive function of income and negative function of rate of interest. This denotes the transactionary demand for money. Okay, that very demand for money which depends upon the level of income, and this second term denotes the speculative demand for money, which is dependent upon the level of interest rate. Money supply is exogenous here, which is being given here 900. Okay, so it is being fixed by the central authority. We have to find out the IS and LM curves, solve for the equilibrium level of income and real, okay, equilibrium level of real income and interest rate. Okay, so first thing is first we will find out the IS equation. And how do we find IS equation? So to find out the IS curve or IS equation, so we know that our total income should be equal to consumption expenditure plus investment expenditure plus government expenditure. Okay, so consumption function is being given us here, so I can write y is equal to, in place of c I will write this function, that is 200 plus 0.75. Okay, now y subscript d denotes the disposable income, and it is equal to disposable income is equal to total income minus tax rate. Okay, so in place of y subscript d I can write y minus t plus investment is being given as 400 minus 50 I denotes the rate of interest, and our government expenditure is being given as 200. Okay, solving further, we have y is equal to 200 plus 0.75 y minus the value of tax rate that is being given as 0.2y. In place of t I will write 0.2y. Then we have plus 400 minus 50i plus 200. Okay, that implies we have here 200, 400 and 200. So this adds up to towards 800. So I can write y is equal to 800 plus 0.75 y minus 0.2y. It comes out to be 0.8 y. Oh, solving again, so we will get y is equal to 800 plus 0.75 times 0.8. 0.75 times 0.8, it will come out to be 0.6. So I can write here 0.6 I. Okay, so let me see if I have done. And again, sorry for this mistake here, we have 0.75 into 0.8, it will come out to be 0.6y. I have written it I, it is y here, and then we have this minus 50i. Transposing this 0.6y here, so it will become y minus 0.6y is equal to 800 minus 50i. So subtracting, we will get 0.4y is equal to 800 minus 50i. Dividing both sides by 0.4, so we will get y is equal to 800 divided by 0.4, it will come out to be 2000 minus 50 divided by 0.4, it will come out to be 125i. Okay, so this is our IS equation or IS curve. and it shows us negative relationship between rate of interest and level of income. Graphically, what exactly is meant by this? We have rate of interest on the vertical side, level of income on the horizontal side. Let us denote I here for the rate of interest, and it has a negative relationship. Okay, interest rate and level of GDP or income has negative relationship, and this is being corroborated by this negative sign here. Okay, so this is our IS equation. By IS equation, it shows us different combinations of rate of interest and level of income where our goods market is in equilibrium. Okay, so this is our IS equation. Now we need to find out the LM equation. For LM, and let me write it here. Okay, to draw the LM equation, LM equation or LM shows us the money market equilibrium. Okay, money market is in equilibrium when demand for money is exactly equal to the supply of money. Money demand is being given us here, that is 0.5y minus 75I is equal to money supply is exogenous, which is equal to 900. Let us solve it for y. Okay, so it implies 0.5y is equal to 900. Transposing it will become plus 75I. Dividing both sides by 0.5, we will get y is equal to 900 divided by 0.5. Okay, if we divide 900 by 0.5, we will get 1800. And when we divide 75 by 0.5, we will get 150I. Okay, so this denotes the LM equation. LM equation shows us that different combinations of, you know, let's draw it here. We have level of GDP on the horizontal axis, interest rate on vertical axis, and LM equation shows us the combinations, different combinations of interest rate and level of income where our money market is in equilibrium. Okay, so this is our LM equation. This denotes our IS equation. Okay, here rate of interest and level of income has a positive relationship, and that is being corroborated by this plus sign. Okay, now so this is our IS equation, this is our LM equation. So we got the answer for first two questions. Okay, now we need to find out the simultaneous equilibrium. That means we want to solve for the equilibrium level of real income and interest rate. That means we want the simultaneous equilibrium in both IS and LM equations, or in goods market goods market and money market. For that, we should have our LM, or let me write it here, our IS should be equal to LM. Okay, so we just need to equate IS equation with LM equation. IS equation is being given, rather which we derived. So solving this equation and this equation, since we have LHS same, we can equate RHS. That means 2000 minus 125 I should be equal to 1800 plus 150 I. Okay, now if we solve it for rate of interest, what will we get? We will get I will be equal to, rather 150, when I transpose it here, it will become 275, and let me write it here, 275 I is equal to 200, or I is equal to 200 divided by 275, which gives us 0.73 as the equilibrium rate of interest, 0.73. To find out the equilibrium level of income, simply plug the value of I is equal to this 0.73 either in LM equation or IS equation. Let's put it in the IS equation. That means our equilibrium level of income will be equal to 2000 minus 125. In place of I, we got it as 0.73. So y will be equal to 2000 minus 125 times 0.73, it will come out to be 91.25. I have calculated it, which comes out to be our equilibrium level of real income will be equal to 1908.75. Okay, so this is our equilibrium level of income. This denotes equilibrium level of rate of interest. This is our LM equation, this is our IS equation. And graphically, what exactly is meant by this? So simultaneous equilibrium means when both goods and money market are in equilibrium. So we have the level of GDP on the horizontal axis, rate of interest on vertical axis. So when we combine these two, this is our IS equation, and we have the LM equation here. Okay, so equilibrium will occur where IS and LM equations intersect with each other, or the curves intersect with each other. When they intersect with each other, we will get 1908.75 is the equilibrium level of income, real income, and the interest rate is 0.73. Okay, I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.